Hello everyone, my name is Vriddhi Susan and I am a student of BAJMC from Morning Shift. So I would like to tell you something about me. I believe I am an artistic person. For example, in my free time, I like to sketch and I write poems and articles as well. And in my childhood, I have learned two types of classical dance forms, Kathak and Bharatanatyam. And on sports day and annual days, I have also choreographed some of the Western dance performances. So I love dancing. And in fact, on my t-shirt over here, it's written dance. So I believe that makes me inclined towards being an artistic person. So here's my friend who has just asked me a question that what would I want to be in the next 5 years? So my answer to that would be, see, life throws curves at you. You think it's going in one direction, but you never know. You might suddenly realize that it's not. It's moving backwards towards you. So it really gets hard to decide who you want to be in the next 5 years. All the people of my age are trying to figure out what they want to be in the next 5 years. But for me, that's not the case. I am trying to figure out who I want to be in the next 5 years. It gets difficult to tell who you want to be in the next 5 years. As far as I am concerned, I want to be my brother's partner in everything. I want to be his guide. I want to be my father's pride and my mother's love. I want my parents to look at me with proudness in their eyes. I want to be my friend's smile and my friend's joy. And if I am not being too emotional, I want to be Mosha's best friend forever. I want to be her laughter, her reason to laugh. I want to be Gauri's warmth and her kindness. When you talk to her, the warmth you feel is what I want to be. And at last, if I am not asking for too much, I want to be a person who can influence people for good. I want to be the person who gives people hope to believe in themselves. And I don't think it's too much to ask for. And I guess all these things combined is who I want to be in the next 5 years. And if anything more than that, then I guess I have to wait and figure that out. But there's one more thing which I want, and that is from you guys. I want you guys to like my video, comment on it, and share it as much as possible, but right now, not after 5 years. Thank you so much for being such a patient listeners. Thank you.